How to hide chat on Viber. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your chat on Viber simply so you can be sneaky around people. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. First thing first, tap open your Viber app on your device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are inside your Viber app, tap open a chat that you want to hide. Once you are inside the chat, you'll see three dot icon at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. A various menu will pop up on your screen. You have to click on chat info. Once you click on chat info, another interference will pop up on your screen. Scroll all the way down till you see an option called hide this chat. Tap on it. A notice will pop up on your screen telling that you can hide any conversation from this chat so that only you can see them using your PIN. Now you have to click on set PIN. Now set your PIN, then confirm your PIN again. Once you have successfully added your PIN, the chat will be hidden. This is how you can hide a chat on Viber. Isn't it simple? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button, and also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.